since I am 3 years old, in a more professional way since I am 15. I'm currently playing with my band Organic Ways, and I'm using the Collision Drumsticks 5B Reach. They're just incredible. Their durability is insane. I've been playing the heck out of them and they just don't broke. Also, the length and weight distribution of the sticks is just a perfect match for me. The feeling while playing is just incredible, and on top of all that, the sound that they get from the drums and the cymbals is amazing. I'm gonna play a song from my band called Falling into Silence. Hope you like it.